Hi friend, in this video I will discuss about today's trade. Today was a great trade and today's the power lantern jackpot Nifty trading strategy profit was 31,800 per lot. I will discuss exactly what was the entry, what was the exit and exactly what to do in this video. Now with that I will show you also detailed track sheet till March, we had 1,20,900 per lot profit. I will show you the detailed track sheet. And I also discussed all this trading strategy in this free ebook, the Power Lantern Jackpot Trade ebook. You can find the exact strategy and plan. I also discuss in this ebook couple of trade example. I will talk about on that. Plus, my challenge to anyone is plus prove me I am wrong and I will send you 50k challenge. So if you download this Excel sheet and check the trade by trade in the track record, here is the track record. Each and every trade I mentioned here. You can take this trade by yourself, putting the data in the Excel. I am talking about this Excel sheet. So what you have to do is that daily you have to check by entering the high and low of the 9:15 to 9:30 and the 9:30 to 9:45 and the last candle high and low of the 15 minutes bar. Once you will enter the data here, if you find any jackpot opportunity next day, then you will get a yes here. See, try to understand. You have to enter the data of one day before. For example, let's check what happened in this trade. So for today's trade, we have to enter the yesterday's trade. After the market close yesterday, we have to enter the data here. If we find a yes, then what we have to do is that, as it is mentioned here, that you have to trade the breakout of the first 15-minute candle. You have to trade the breakout of the first 15-minute candle. In this Excel, every instructions was given. You can do accordingly. So let's begin with the test. What was yesterday? So yesterday's high of the first candle was 7976.15 and the low was 7791.60. You have to enter the high and low of the first candle. You have to enter the high and low of the second candle. The second candle high was 7800 and the low was 7612.30. Now I will going to put the last set of data. Once I will enter this last set of data, you will find if there is an opportunity, then this no try next day should automatically change to yes. So let's enter the data of the last candle. The last candle of yesterday's was 79 high. High was 7917.90 and the low was 7826.20. As you can see, the moment I enter this data, it has changed to yes. I actually in this track sheet you will get the track sheet in this ebook. All this track sheet the 17 Jan, from the 17 Jan onward, 17, 22, 24, and all those trade I have actually mentioned here. So you can check by your own, putting the data here whether there was trade or not and what was the result next day. Now as I already mentioned, prove me wrong and I will send you 50k. So this was the trade yesterday indications, and now what to do today. Now today simply you have to enter above the breakout of the first 15-minute candle. So first 15-minute candle of the of today was high was 7971 and the low was 7715. As you can see that the low of this was 7725, so it was not entered in these directions but it was filled in these directions. So a breakout above 7971 was the trade, and as it's mentioned here that you have to hold the trade till 3 p.m. and you have to exit the trade at 3 p.m. So potentially today's entry was around 7971. So my entry was 7976. I want you to put add a 5 point buffer, and your potential entry should be 7966 and 7976, sorry, and the stop loss should be 7715, and you have to hold the trade till 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. the close was the 8415. So even the rough exit should be 8400. It was a 424 point profit. That means 31,800 a lot profit. So that is a huge for today. And as you can see, till today total profit earned was 161.12 point. That is 1,20,900. One lot since 17 Jan. And in this ebook I actually discuss everything, the strategy. See, the power lantern strategy is based on the concept that I actually developed for long, and I practice this in my personal trading also. This is based on a physics concept, as I mentioned here. It is mostly physics, and as you can see, if suppose this is the first candle and this is the second candle and this is the last candle, then if we connect the lowest low of the first candle and the highest high of the last candle and the high of the last candle and the highest high of this point and with the low of the last candle, then these two lines will cross eventually at certain point. Now, and this is exactly giving a lantern types image where we find the power here should be around here. So based on this cross where it has crossed, we have an indications next day what is likely to happen. But fortunately you do not need to analyze everything, and what you have to do is that you have to enter the data of the first, second and third candle only, and this excel sheet will automatically define what to do based on this strategy. The excel is actually designed such a way that you do not need any type of analysis. I also mentioned the detailed track sheet. The same track sheet you will find in this ebook, and couple of trade example also. And I request you to check by yourself and what was the trade and what was the result of that. It was a great day today, and I wish all of you you should take good care of yourself. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.